gonna do with the squash? Huh? Do you know? Do you have any idea? Let's cook.
Preheat oven to 400 degrees. Chop and get your veggies ready. I have squash, cabbage, kale, red onions, and pepitas. Prepare a lightly oiled foil-lined baking sheet. Place the squash in a bowl and drizzle with oil and mix. Add salt and pepper and mix again. Then prepare to spread it all over the sheet. Roast it for 20 minutes. Now let's make the pickled onions. In a small pot, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of water. Then you're going to add your onions. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. You're going to bring to a boil. Once boiling, remove from heat and let sit for approximately 10 minutes or so. Pat your pork tenderloins dry with paper towels. Season with salt, pepper, and I like to add orange chili spice. Drizzle with olive oil. Make sure you flip them and season them the same way you did the other side. So the 10 minutes are up on the pickled onions, so I'm going to strain them over a plate to cool. Now you're going to heat 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large saute pan over medium heat. Add pork to hot pan. Sear for 3 minutes on each side. Transfer pork to a second lightly oiled foil-lined baking sheet. Roast for 10 minutes or until fully cooked. It's time for our veggies. Now you're going to heat about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil over medium-high heat. You're going to add your onions and cook for about 3 minutes. Then you're going to add your kale to the pan, mix a little. Add your pepitas and mix a little more. Add your cabbage, mix and cook for 3 minutes. Add salt and pepper and cook for 3 minutes or until the kale is wilted. Transfer the squash to pan and stir to combine. Oh yeah, look at those beautiful colors. Ding, 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 the pork is ready. So remove from the oven. Transfer to the cutting board and let rest for at least 3 minutes. Cut pork tenderloins into slices. Look how beautiful the meat looks. It's perfect. It's time to plate. Add your veggies, fan the pork slices over the top, drizzle some chimichurri sauce, and garnish with those pickled onions. Let's look at that plate one more time. And there you have it. I hope you enjoy this pork tenderloin, squash, and pickled onions recipe.